Congratulations on completing another chapter of the Finance Manager course. You're doing well. Keep it up. In this section, our focus will be on capital budgeting. We will explain what capital budgeting is and why companies use it when making strategic decisions. Then we will continue by introducing two fundamental notions for those of you who need a quick refresher: the time value of money and discounting cash flows. Once we have covered these topics, we will be ready to introduce a few techniques that allow us to answer the two most important questions in capital budgeting. Does the investment make sense? And is this the best alternative we have? We'll study the payback method with the NPV and IRR techniques. Then we'll talk about the typical discount rates companies use to measure a desired rate of return and account for risk and the time value of money. We'll also learn about the cost of equity, cost of debt, and the weighted average cost of return, WACC. At the end, we'll be able to wrap it up with a great example featuring a company that tries to assess an investment opportunity and compares it with other alternatives. Sounds great, right? Okay, let's dive straight in and learn more about capital budgeting.